What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're going to go over some really awesome accessories for your brand new Galaxy Watch 3. This is a watch that you want to take care of, and by taking care of a watch, you got to buy it some new accessories. You can buy it some new straps, you can buy it some new bands, customize the look of this watch all to your own. And one of those ways you can customize this watch is also by adding your own styling kit, by adding your own Ringke Bezel Styling Kit. This is a way not only to protect this rotating bezel from getting scratched up, but it's also a good way to kind of redesign the way the watch looks, kind of to give this watch a unique look from everyone else that has the Galaxy Watch 3. There's a lot of these watches out there, but thankfully you can style this the way you want to. So let's go ahead and take a look at these cool Ringke accessories for the Galaxy Watch 3. I'm going to install the bezel kits, but first off, everyone needs a good stand. Everyone needs a 2-in-1 stand, and this super folding stand, as they call it, is a great way to have your smartphone with you and a great way to charge up your watch all at the same time. You can place this on your desk and it looks super awesome. You can also charge your watch at the same time. It's just a very sturdy stand. I like the way this looks. I like the way it's designed. It's just a good way at night, since you're going to have to charge both of these devices every single night anyway. It's just a great way to keep them looking pristine, to keep it looking fresh on your desk or on your nightside table, anywhere you put it. This is a great accessory to have. As you see here, it's built specifically for the Galaxy Watch, thanks to the ability to put the charger right in at the bottom here. Super easy, super simple to do. Just reroute this cable like so, and you're good to go. What I like about it too, it really has a sturdy hinge here. There's no way that this is just going to fall on its own. No matter how heavy your phone is, this is going to be an awesome accessory to have. But the main attraction are these bezel styling kits, so let's just take a look at some of them. And I'll leave a link to all of these accessories down in my description, so if you're interested in picking them up, you know where to look for them. So here we go, we have two offerings from Ringke. Now, if you follow my channel, you know I'm always a big fan of bezel protectors. I think it's just a great way to keep your watch looking clean, keep your watch looking fresh for the long term. If you're like me and you want to keep your watches for a while, this is a great way to do it. So let's just take a look at one of them and see what else is inside the box here. Let's see. Inside we get, it's really a one-time use only, unless you find some more adhesive. Some double-sided tape might do the trick as well. I wish Ringke would kind of give us another piece of tape in here, but I don't see that. Maybe later on they'll add another piece of tape. Let me just check this one, just in case it's missing. But we don't get another piece of adhesive tape. Ringke, if you're watching this video, please include another strip or add it later on with your packaging. A lot of us might want to buy a couple of these and swap them out from time to time, depending on how we're feeling. This is my favorite overall. I really like the etched numbers around the entire bezel. This just gives it more of a kind of diver's feel. I really like this bezel styling kit, but for those of you that want to be super fancy and glitzy, this is the gnarled edge, and I think this also looks really nice. So if we take a look at the Ringke style kit, this is what it'll look like when it's on your watch. You can see it doesn't really add all that much bulk. It just adds a little bit more height, of course, because it is protecting that bezel, it is protecting that watch. But man, let me tell you, this just looks super awesome right now. This is one nice looking watch, so if you really want a two-toned action look, if you want to spice up your wrist a little bit, the Ringke style kit is the way to go. Just take a look at this diver's watch now. This is where it's at. This is the #1 bezel protector I think all of you guys should get. This is something I can recommend. This is a very, very nice looking styling kit. If you really want to protect your watch, if you really want to spice it up, I suggest you get the diver's watch, because just take a look at this. Man, oh man, does this look good. If you want to get a nice two-toned action going on, if you really want to change things up, if you really want to spice up the look of your watch, look no further. Ringke has you covered, and this is their bezel styling kit. I really appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think about these down in the comments below, but for me, this is an absolute win. This is a way that you can keep your watch looking fresh for the long term, and even this is a way to kind of change things up from everyone else that picked up one of these Galaxy watches, and that's what it's all about. It's all about our own style. It's all about our own unique look. Thanks for watching, guys. I super appreciate it. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.